Roll out.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you. Is it extra medium like I ordered?
That's not a thing. It's called ultra medium.
Also, most of these animations were worked on live, both here on YouTube as well as over on twitch.tv/AronGisMe. Shameless plug. Be sure to tune in. We do fun chats and gaming and stuff and giveaways.
I'm in hell.
I went back in time to 1992, 8 years before I was born, and had Shigeru Miyamoto, he probably worked on this game, had him record samples of me going, doo, doo, and they put it in the game. My dad works at Nintendo. I've kind of seen this story here and there, like, pop up, like when she was first banned.
To go. One last thing. You ara, you ara, you ara, you ara.
Oh, let's go. We're actually in the final stretch now. 6. Oops.
It's called Death by Scrolling, a roguelike, vertically scrolling RPG.
You're gonna triple my bet? No. I'm good at this game.
Ah!
Versus. Aw, what a cute butt.
Go ahead and fight.
No. I can do a good Chris. How do I speed it up? Wait. Oh my god.
Seriously, it's really funny because Thanos.
Thanos?
Thanos, the one with the purple hair.
From Marvel?
Welcome to the Thanos
Oh,
world.
that guy was annoying.
That one. Guys, those are really good voice impressions. You guys hear that? Thanos world.
The crowd. Remember to leave space? I thought I did. All right, fuck it. Let's just listen. All right, I'm ready for hot garbage. Lay it on me. Fuck right off. I'm the worst. I'm the worst musician of all time. I'm getting my show canceled. My tour is everyone's getting refunded for my tour. Fire? More like I need to be fired out of a cannon into the sun.
Like
It's my
Aaron
mukbang.
Daycare. Mukbang. Guys, we should actually do one. Oh my god. Oh,
I mean, I'm so down.
Aaron.
We'll get like a big
Can you
sushi
go to
platter.
Yeah!
Oh my oh my god. But also, yes, I agree. Dude. Oh, Catboy Aron only in Canada. Bro, the Canadian Tourism Board is gonna be reaching out for this one. I look great as a Catboy. Nya. Nya. What the fuck? I was not near it. Audience bud, better watch out.
Safe player. You'll do. In order to live, should they roll higher or lower?
Say higher. Say higher, man. Be nice. Be nice. Say higher. Say higher. That's impossible! That's literally impossible!
Roll lower than there you die.
Maybe go for Genshin this time? I mean, I've already broken the streak.
You are blowing it. I mean, you are doing great.
Don't fucking distract me, you son of a bitch. Yeah, it didn't matter that you distracted me! Let's go!